Hello YouTube, my name is Nubia Shaheen and today we are back with another video. Before I start this video, I want to take the time and thank you guys for all the support you guys are showing my channel. It is so very appreciated. I am at a loss of words to what I'm feeling. I'm so happy to see my channel grow in such a small period of time. I hope you guys are really enjoying all the things that I'm putting out there. It's something that I'm loving to do, and being able to share it with you guys is just making me the happiest person. So today in this video we're gonna recreate this makeup look. This is what I created based on Valentine's Day. I was inspired by love. I was inspired by the color red. I hope you guys stay out throughout the whole video and see me recreate this look. So without further ado, let's get into today's YouTube video.
Perfect.
Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, very important, is that we're gonna prime. I'm not gonna start with the face directly. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna start with the eyes, because this is gonna be more of a vampy Valentine's Day. I wanted to do something pink, but red is my favorite, so we're gonna stick to red. Red is a very hard color to work with because it does stain. That's why we're gonna go with the eyes first, and then we're gonna do the base. So before I even apply the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with some concealer and just cover up some darkness that I have on my eyelid. I know some people like to use eyeshadow primer, but I see that concealer works for me, so might as well give it a use, you know. So we're gonna get rid of that darkness. What I'm gonna do after is that I'm gonna set it so that it doesn't crease. Now I'm gonna go with a prime and stay powder and just cover up the concealer. What the powder is gonna do, other than help the concealer from cracking, is that it's gonna give us a base to work with. You know, it could actually work as transition color. So today we're gonna go in with this Morphe palette. It's actually my favorite palette at the moment. As you see, we have a lot of reds to work with. We have an orange for a pop of color, but we're within the red range, so we're gonna see what I create today. So as a transition color, we're gonna go in with this orangey red. So we're gonna go in windshield motion just like this, and what this is gonna do is that it's gonna blend out the color very seamlessly. So the next color that we're gonna go in with is this one right here, and this we're gonna apply it on the crease. So this is more of a darker red than the first one that we used. So this, I am using a more precise brush that will go into that crease to give us more like a gradient look. Listen guys, I know right now it might look a little crazy, it might look a little out of line, but we're gonna go in with concealer after and we're gonna clean it up. So don't be afraid to use the colors. Just go in, okay? Now I'm gonna continue with the same brush, but I'm gonna go in with this color. This color is like a reddish, but it has a purple to pink tint to it, and that's what I want. I want this makeup look to look very Valentine. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go in with that, with the same brush, but this color. And I am gonna go heavy-handed. Same thing, by the crease, a little bit under the crease, but the whole eyelid. I'm telling you, red is a very, very powerful color to work with. It is very, very hard to work with. Black color is also a very hard color to work with, but if you can manage these two colors, you are an expert at doing your makeup. Take another fluffy brush and just blend everything together. And the key to red colors and all these dark colors is just to blend, 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 blend. I know your hand is gonna go tired, but your makeup is gonna look good. And if you guys see, my makeup it's all over the place. So don't worry, that's exactly why we did the eyes first, so that after I could correct everything. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do to correct everything. So I've noticed that I need a little depth in my crease, so I'm going to go in with a brown.
Perfect. Perfect.
So right now it may look like I got punched in the face, both eyeballs actually, but you're gonna see we're gonna be good. So I do have a little bit of fallout, so that's actually good. It's okay, I'm not complaining. That's exactly why I did the eyes first. So the next color that I'm gonna apply is this reddish orange foiled color. Reddish orange foiled color. I had to say it slowly, if not it was not gonna come out. So we're gonna go in with this color, and I'm taking this flat brush, and this is gonna go all over the eye. I'm gonna apply this just like this. So I'm noticing that it's not giving me so much of a color payoff. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna wet the brush, and that's gonna give me more brightness. So far I am loving this look, but I feel like it's missing a little something, a little pop. So we're gonna go in with this orangey foiled color. Not so much, but we're only gonna go over here in the center of the eyelid, just so that when the light reflects on the eyelid, it is reflecting right there. So now we're gonna go in with that orange color. Again, we're gonna go in with this color and just blend everything together. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go in with the same colors on the bottom lash line. So I'm not completely done with the eye look, but I am going to go ahead and continue with the face and go back to the eyes later. What I'm doing is that I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm removing all that fall off from this shadow, from the shadows. You see, you had nothing to worry about. The wipe, it simply comes off, but if you would have done your foundation and all your base first, it would have been a mission. So what I like to do is that I like to take the baby wipe and wrap it around my finger and just go like this. And give that shadow a sharp look. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the face. So we are done with the face. Now we are going to continue with the eyes, and we're going to go in and draw in a wing liner. Now lastly, we're going to go in with a lip color. You could either go in with a nude color or a very dark color. It all depends on your liking. I'm going to go in with a red color. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys get to try out this look. It's a very vampy, it's very Valentine's, it's very light and bright. So this is actually my first Valentine's makeup tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Next year I'm going to be working on different ideas. Hope you guys stick around. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to get notifications to when I post new videos. Hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day filled with love and happiness. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.